Hello everyone, I'm Lillian Hubler-Tobin, the founder of Time to Sign, and I want to talk to you about this amazing program called Thriving Together, Promoting Wellness for Teachers. It is uniquely designed for teachers like you, like me, to be our best self every day in the classroom with its children. I know how it is. Listen, I own a preschool for over 8 years, and it was amazing, and at the same time, it was sometimes very challenging. We have to be our best self every day, right? In that classroom, we are counselors, we're teachers, we're parents, we are friends, and it is very important that we take care of us every day. So when we step into that classroom, we are ready. We are ready to shine for them. We are ready to shine for ourselves and for the children. So I got tapped into doing this wellness because I practice wellness every day. I practice mindfulness, meditation, yoga, eating nutritious meals before I get into the classroom, affirmations, walking, so much more. And so we put together this amazing program. It's 2 days of wellness. It's a small retreat for us to really get into ourselves, our inner self. Social wellness, emotional wellness, physical wellness, spiritual wellness. It is all connected to us being our best self, developing the best relationships, and so much more. So join us. This is limited to a very small group. I wanted to have it be so intimate so that we get to know each other and learn from each other and work together. So be part of this amazing training opportunity. We have 3 training opportunities coming up this summer. So check out below or check out our website at timetosign.com. Wellness program is under our store, it's wellness program. And we have the 3 or 4 places that we are going to be this summer, making it available for a few of us to get together in wellness. You're also going to receive a wonderful toolkit with so many ideas and activities to help you take it back and continue this journey every day. So I hope you join us and share this with your fellow educators out there, because we all need to look inward for our wellness. Listen, if we don't take care of our wellness, we're going to have to deal with our illness. And that's not what we want. We want to be our best self every day, don't we? So, I can't wait to see you. Join us today. And thank you so much for being a wonderful role model for the children you work with every day. And I can't wait to share this amazing program with you. We also come to agencies, so if you want us to come directly to your agency, call us. And we'll come right to you and train everyone in your team. If you're a coach, this is a wonderful opportunity for you to help your teachers every day and come learn some amazing practices. And thank you so much. I really appreciate you.